Samsung is anticipated to debut the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra in January of next year. While their features and standard color options leaked months prior, new information has now surfaced about online exclusive color variants for these models. According to industry insider Ross Young, the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Plus will have 3 additional color options for online orders: blue/black, coral red, and pink gold. For the Galaxy S25 Ultra, 3 additional online exclusive colors are expected: titanium blue/black, titanium jade green, and titanium pink/silver. These exclusive colors are likely to be produced in limited quantities, indicating they may be intended specifically for online purchases. Each year, Samsung releases its phones in a handful of colors available across all retailers, but reserves certain colors exclusively for its online store. Earlier reports indicated that the Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Ultra would each launch with 4 base colors, while the Galaxy S25 Plus would offer 5 base color choices. Here's the compiled list of all the leaked color options. Galaxy S25 colors: Moonlight Blue, Silver Shadow, Sparkling Blue, Sparkling Green, Blue/Black, online exclusive, Coral Red, Pink Gold. Galaxy S25 Plus colors: Midnight Black, Moonlight Blue, Silver Shadow, Sparkling Blue, Sparkling Green, Blue/Black, online exclusive, Coral Red, Pink Gold, online exclusive. Galaxy S25 Ultra colors: Titanium Black, Titanium Blue, Titanium Gray, Titanium Silver, Titanium Blue/Black, online exclusive, Titanium Jade Green, online exclusive, Titanium Pink/Silver, online exclusive. Let me know which one is your favorite. Now let's talk about some previous leaks and news of Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're a regular viewer, feel free to skip this video. If you're new here, be sure to watch until the end. The Galaxy S25 Ultra model, intended for the US market, has reappeared on the Geekbench benchmarking platform, displaying its highest performance figures yet. It's not surprising to see an improvement in scores, as synthetic benchmark results often get better as a device nears completion. Still, the new numbers via at UCamlosReeve holds significant promise for the Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered Galaxy S25 Ultra, showcasing just how impressive Qualcomm's latest chip appears on paper. As you may recall, the US Galaxy S25 Ultra, model SM-S938U, was first spotted on Geekbench in September, achieving peak scores of 3,069 for single-core and 9,080 for multi-core, although some earlier scores were considerably lower. Now we're seeing peak synthetic scores reaching 3,148 for single-core and 10,236 for multi-core. Not only are these numbers impressive in isolation, but they also stand out when compared to today's Galaxy S25 Plus benchmark results. Earlier today, another test featured the European S25 Plus variant, likely powered by the as-yet unannounced Exynos 2500 chip. The S25 Plus recorded single and multi-core scores of around 2,360 and 8,140 points respectively. While these Snapdragon-based scores may be exciting, it's essential to remember that early benchmarks aren't definitive. As we noted earlier, scores for devices still in development aren't always reliable, as lab conditions may not push prototype devices to their true potential. For instance, the screenshot shows some early Galaxy S25 Ultra SM-S938U tests with unusually low scores. Will these early benchmarks reflect the device's final performance? Certainly not. Today's benchmarks show major improvements, but it's unclear under what conditions those initial tests were conducted. In short, take these early scores with a grain of caution. While they can be informative, it's best not to form any fixed conclusions just yet, as Samsung continues to refine the device. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribing to the channel would be greatly appreciated. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.